of the reheat. It can be seen very well there against those grey skies. And yes, he has got the display aircraft with those invasion stripes, which you can also see in more detail on page 29 of the souvenir programme. Now he's got the undercarriage down, flying a dirty barrel roll. Raising the undercarriage as he climbs away. When we say a dirty barrel roll, that means the aircraft's in the dirty or landing configuration, as opposed to the clean configuration when the undercarriage is retracted. In now for the inverted pass at 500 feet, and rolling back to the inverted again.